What is happening? What is going on with the price of the Air Jordan 1 Dior? The Dior Air Jordan 1s released 2020. Retail on this high was $2,200 plus tax. Resale was over $10,000 when they first dropped. If you were able to find these and willing to spend that type of money, people were asking $10,000 plus for the Dior Jordan 1 high. 3 years later, they are not $10,000, they are less. If you can find a pair, that is. This is a hard sneaker to come across. Why? Because there's only 8,500 pairs of this sneaker produced. They're individually numbered, and this sneaker is highly sought after. It was going to be instantly sought after, and years down the line now, it remains a very sought after sneaker. Outright Brand makes hype clothing to match your favorite sneakers. The new drop is live. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description and check them out. The Dior Jordan 1s, the highs and the lows, both released in 2020. They were reselling for a good amount of money, especially the highs. And in 2021, 2022, and here in 2023, they have dropped a little bit in price, but trust me, this is still not a very cheap sneaker whatsoever. I spent $6,500 on this pair right here myself, size 10, dead stock. When you wear Outright Brand, you'll be able to match perfectly, and their designs are very subtle and very sleek. The t-shirts fit true to size. Be sure to check out Outright Brand. I'm wearing them right now. Click the link down below in the description and use my code DannyMoore for 10% off. So as time has gone on, the price has dropped. Is it still dropping? No. It's basically stayed around stagnant at around $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, depending on size. But I will say this, if you ask me, this is just my opinion, I do believe that years down the line, we will see them go up in price. It will take time. This was definitely not a short-term hold, not a 2-3 year hold. I believe this is more like upwards of a decade hold, if you ask me. I know that seems crazy. I know that seems far-fetched. Why would you hold a sneaker for nearly 10 years for it to go up in price? Well, I will say this. It's money in the future. If you don't need the money, if you're looking to maybe just buy them, sit on them, one shoe, one time, not have to sell a bunch of pairs, a one-time thing, I don't think it's bad to spend the money that they're going for right now. I do believe that years down the line, it's going to take more and more time, but we will see them go up in price. Why? Because they're a very sought after sneaker. It's Dior, for crying out loud. We'll never see this type of sneaker again. Will we? The future will tell, but I don't think we're going to see anything of this stature again. Anything of this nature, I don't think it's happening. I think this was a one and done. Sneakerheads, Soul Premise sneaker bags are 60 to 70% off right now. Make sure you guys check them out. They're the best sneaker bags in the world. Will we see Jordan Brand team up with another hype luxury brand like Dior? Will they go to Louis Vuitton, Gucci, YSL? The list goes on. There's so many, designer brands that really are expensive, and yet they chose Dior, one of the most expensive ones. So I don't think the price will really drop too much more. I think it'll stay, and eventually we will see them go up in price. At the end of the day, guys, it's money in the future. If you can get them for a good price, if you're willing to drop the money, the bag on these, let's call it what it is. If you're ready to drop the bag on them and you're looking for a long-term play, something for years down the line, hey, it's not a bad shoe to do something like that with. Personally, I do plan on eventually wearing these, but I'm not sure when, to be honest. When the time is right, I'm not sure. But as of right now, I don't really have plans of wearing them anytime soon. But eventually, I do plan on busting these out. Will I be able, I spent $6,500. Will I be able to sell them for more right now? Yes. I could go make a quick little profit on it. But if I decide to wear them, I think I will still be able to get most of my money back, if not all of it back. So I'm not too mad at that price that I paid. Their bags hold a bunch of sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. There's actual compartments to store your sneakers safely and securely with you. Their bags are very high quality, and right now you can get 60 to 70% off. All you gotta do is click my link down below in the description. Thanks Sole Premise for sponsoring this video. Let me know down below in the comments, would you pay $6,500 for the Dior Air Jordan 1 High in your size, brand new, dead stock, OG all? Is it worth it? Let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys want to see all of the crazy packaging and this sneaker in more detail, make sure you guys check out yesterday's video. I'll leave a link up above. Make sure you guys check that out, and you guys can see all the packaging, all the details of the Jordan 1 Dior. Retail was so crazy. We've never seen a sneaker retail for this much money before. Have we? I don't think so. Not this much. $2,200 retail price for a Jordan 1. And it's with Dior. Now, the leather quality is phenomenal. It's very stiff, but it's very, very good leather. You can just tell. And then the Dior print on the swoosh, that is so fire, so nice. The details, the design, definitely make this sneaker worth it, in my opinion. The hype, the demand, Dior. Retail is so high already. $2,000 retail on the lows, and $2,200, $2,200 retail here for the highs, plus tax. You're looking at like $2,400. It's a lot of money for retail alone. So spending it on resale, if you think about it, it's only 3 to 4 times retail, which I know usually is a lot, but it's not terrible when you look at it that way, right? If you spend, $180 for retail and you get a shoe worth 3 times retail, that's like what, $500-600? So it's not that bad when you look at it that way. That right there is me justifying spending the money. But yes, these right here are absolutely fire. They are crazy. They did a great job. The prices, man, they definitely have dropped a little bit over time. They're still worth thousands of dollars, don't get me wrong. But I do expect them one day, years down the line, I think they'll go up. This will once again be over a $10,000 sneaker. Money in the future, money in your pocket in the future. However you want to look at it, that's what the Dior Air Jordan 1 really is. The highs, the lows. Let me know down below in the comments. My next crazy pickup like this, it's not going to be for a while, but my next crazy pickup like this, should it be the lows? Should I complete the set, the Dior Jordan 1 low set, so I have the highs and the lows, or should I get the Louis Vuitton off-white Air Force 1s? I'm thinking maybe the red or the blue colorways, or maybe the white. I'm not sure what color, but one of those. Should I do that, or should I get the Dior lows and complete the set with the Dior Air Jordan 1s? These are absolutely crazy. One of my favorite releases of all time, to be honest. These are so sought after, and I absolutely needed them. I needed them after selling the Red Octobers a year after me hitting those for retail for $3,600. Seeing those go up to $15,000, that one hurt, and I do not want to see that happen on this sneaker, and I miss out. So I would definitely like to be a part of that if that does wind up happening. So that's why I pulled the trigger here and spent so much money on the Dior's. This right here is more money than my first car was. This is more money than anything I've ever purchased, except for maybe my Tesla or, YouTube stuff. So that's absolutely crazy. This is nuts. The Dior Jordan 1 highs. Prices are extremely high. They have dropped a little bit, but I do think they will go back up, and eventually, years down the line, still be a very sought-after grail for the sneaker community. And those prices, man, are gonna go up. In dead stock condition, yes. A lot of people that do have pairs are wearing them, so it's gonna make the dead stock prices just go up. Let me know what you guys think about the Dior Air Jordan 1 highs. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let's get this video up to 300 likes. That would be amazing. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Dior Jordan 1 highs are fire. Straight fire. I can't believe these are in my collection. Thank you guys so much. We out.